Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be installing this bathroom fan setup. I'm not putting it in a bathroom though. I am going to be using it as a ventilation system for my paint booth. Alright, so basically I bought this kit for a bathroom installation of a vent as a bathroom fan. I just needed somewhere to pull those fumes out of my paint booth so they don't stink up my workspace. So you guys can see how to install a bathroom fan. As you can see, let's go over to my paint booth. I have this space that I've masked off. Just simple plastic, and it's just all plastic, even the ceiling. It's just a nice place for me to paint stuff, not worry about the fumes as much. But without a fan, the fumes do tend to seep back into my area. Not enjoyable to work around. So that's where this fan is going to come and play. So hopefully, if I come in here, just turn on some extra light. I'm just going to put a hole right here. There's wall behind it. I'm just going to put some 2x4s to hold the fan in place and give me some ventilation for my paint room. Or I might have actually put it over here. So stick around. You'll get to see me do this. Let's get started. Let's open these up, see what we got. It was actually made for a roof. That's okay. It's got a nice little screen so rodents can't get in there. That's going to work great. Just sitting on the side of the house like this. What I think I'm going to do is actually cut out a piece of an old filter and put it in front of this. We'll see how well it sucks in. Alright, so the first problem I see, these are not meant to go together. You got this big wide opening here. This goes around it. But it does not match up size-wise. And that should just go like so. It's going to stick out the side. Let's see. One of the things I have laying around the shop is some PVC pipe. Still not the right size. I need to go from small to big. And that won't allow the gate to open. I can't really squish this down to make it fit. And give a nice airtight seal. Alright. I guess back to the drawing boards on this one. As you can see, outside the box thinking often includes a box. So this is a prototype that you saw me just make. All it's going to do is hang on the wall like this, up by the ceiling. So this is going to be mounted onto the ceiling, like so. And it will kind of force the air where I want it to go. So I don't think I need the box this big. I think it's gonna work. Let me make it out of wood and we'll go from there. Alright, outside is finished up. Inside is finished up. I think this is done. Now I can go back to all my other projects.